सुपर पेरेंट्स एंड किड्स, कल हम लोगों ने 3 साउंड्स पढ़ी थी और वो थी ये स, ख एंड म. ओके, स सन, म मून एंड ख केक. आपको याद होंगे? ओके, सो आज हम लोग 4 न्यू साउंड्स पढ़ेंगे. वो कौन सी साउंड्स हैं? मैं आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी, आप उसका नाम बोलिएगा. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? बेयर. करेक्ट, बेयर. व्हाट आर दीज? यू प्ले विद दीज. आप इसके साथ खेलते हैं. ब्लॉक्स. ब्लॉक्स. व्हाट इज दिस? ये देखिए आपने, it goes on the water. Boat. Boat. So जब हम ये तीनों वर्ड्स बोलते हैं, फर्स्ट साउंड होती है bear, bear, blocks and boat. The sound is b. Yes, you are right. It's b. And the sound looks like this. B. This is b. Okay? Let's take a new sound now. Do you know what is this? This is a dinosaur. Dinosaur. What is this? It's a dog. Dog. What is this? This is a duck. Duck. So the first sound, dinosaur, dog and duck. The first sound is d. You're right. And it looks like this. So we have b and d. Dinosaur, dog and duck. Let's look at the next sound. And we have here this. What is this? It's an apple. Apple. What is this? It's an ant. Ant. And what are these? So many. What are these? These are animals. Animals. So फिर से आप सारी sounds बोलिए. Apple, ant, animals. The first sound is a, and it looks like this. It is a, a. Okay, so we have 3 sounds now: b, d, and a. Now let's look at the last sound for today, and it is, what is this? It's an igloo. Igloo. Okay, and this is ant, but ant is an insect. ant एक insect होता है. जैसे ये सारे animals हैं, वैसे ही सारे कीड़ों को हम insect बोलते हैं. तो दोनों sounds अगर आप बोलें फिर से, insect and igloo, the sound is I, and I looks like this. Okay, so this is I. So let's revise the sounds again. B, d, a, I. B, d, a, I. So you revise these sounds with your parents